an offer like no other. A 122-acre farm complete with a home, cabin, corrals, and a thriving herd of grass-fed cattle. This expansive property blends flat farmland, rolling pastures, lush jungle, and effortless 500-meter access to the Costa Rica highway. Rainforest, farms, and oil palm plantations stretch in every direction, creating a truly authentic southern zone landscape. And with construction of Costa Rica's third major international airport set to begin just 30 kilometers away, the investment and development potential is extraordinary. Opportunities like this, large acreage, mixed terrain, existing infrastructure, and proximity to a future international hub are almost impossible to find.
Thank you for watching, and keep an eye on our website and socials as the full listing complete with photos, detailed description, technical information, and a full-length video will be released shortly.